Join me as I dive into the latest APLD stock update and try to make sense of the crazy changes happening right now. APLD stock has been on a wild ride lately, with its price fluctuating rapidly and leaving investors scrambling to make sense of it all. The recent market activity surrounding APLD has been quite volatile, with the stock experiencing significant swings in value over the past few weeks. This volatility has caught the attention of many investors, who are trying to determine whether the stock is a buy or a sell. One of the main concerns for APLD investors right now is the company's ability to maintain its growth momentum. There have been some concerns about the company's financials, with some analysts questioning whether APLD has the resources to continue investing in its business. These concerns have led to a significant amount of selling pressure on the stock, which has contributed to its recent decline. Another challenge facing APLD is increased competition in its industry. As more companies enter the market, APLD is finding it harder to stand out and maintain its market share. This increased competition has put pressure on APLD's pricing power and has made it harder for the company to grow its revenue. The company's recent earnings report has also been a source of concern for investors. While APLD did report some positive numbers, there were some underlying trends that investors found troubling. Specifically, the company's revenue growth was slower than expected, which has led some investors to question whether APLD's growth story is starting to stall. The overall market trend has also had an impact on APLD's stock price. With the broader market experiencing some volatility, investors have become increasingly risk-averse and are looking for companies with strong growth prospects and stable financials. APLD's recent struggles have made it harder for the company to attract new investors, which has put additional pressure on the stock price. Several factors are influencing APLD's stock price right now, including market trends and company announcements. For one, the company's recent decision to invest heavily in new technology has been seen as a positive by some investors, who believe it will help drive growth in the long term. However, there are also concerns about the company's ability to execute on this strategy, given its history of struggling with large-scale projects. The performance of APLD's competitors has also been an important factor in determining the stock's price. With some of APLD's competitors reporting strong growth and profitability, investors have been questioning whether APLD can keep pace. There's also been some speculation about potential partnerships or acquisitions that could impact APLD's stock price. While nothing has been announced yet, investors are eagerly awaiting news on this front. The most significant update regarding APLD stock right now is the company's announcement of a major new contract. This contract is expected to drive significant revenue growth for APLD and could be a game-changer for the company's future prospects. The contract is with a major player in APLD's industry and is expected to run for several years. This provides APLD with a high degree of visibility and stability, which should help to alleviate some of the concerns about the company's financials. The new contract also highlights APLD's strengths in its industry and demonstrates its ability to win major business. This update matters now because it has the potential to significantly impact APLD's stock price. If the company is able to successfully execute on the contract, it could lead to a significant increase in revenue and profitability. In summary, APLD stock is at a critical juncture right now. With the company's recent challenges and controversies, investors are trying to determine whether the stock is a buy or a sell. If you're interested in learning more about APLD or other stocks, be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments and check out my latest video on stock market trends.